Hello everyone. Today, we're excited to introduce you to our versatile storage bins with lids, designed to revolutionize your home and office organization. These 23-gallon white closet organizers are not only collapsible and stackable but also come with wheels for easy mobility, making them perfect for any space, from your closet and bathroom to the kitchen and garage. The innovative foldable design allows you to assemble these bins in just 30 seconds, and when not in use, they can be conveniently folded to maximize space. With two opening options, you can either open the clear front door for quick access to frequently used items or lift the top lid for storing bulkier items, ensuring you can organize and access your belongings with ease. The stackable feature, combined with grooves on the top panel that securely hold the wheels, ensures stability even when the bins are full or being moved. Measuring 25.59 inches long, 14.96 inches wide, and 66.89 inches high when unfolded, these bins offer a spacious 23-gallon capacity, capable of holding up to 167 pounds, making them an ideal solution for keeping your home neat and tidy. Whether you're tackling a home renovation or simply looking to declutter, these storage bins provide the perfect blend of functionality and convenience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.